Well, hello, cartoon friends. I hope you're having a great day. Dave McDonald here for another exciting edition of Quarantunes. Yes, I'm glad you're joining me today. Hope it's a good one. Yes, it's only going to get better now, right? Never know what's going to happen here on Quarantunes. Yesterday we drew an elephant, and I wanted to show you my colored version. Look at that. It's a baby elephant. Remember I told you about my friend from Brazil, Lavinia, who told me that she rode an elephant once. So I put her kind of perched atop of an elephant. I just got that funny idea. So this was our elephant. I hope you had fun coloring yours. I hope you colored it. It's just another activity we can do once we're done drawing together. All right, so today what we're going to do, we're going to, let's visit Africa. And I'm also going to blend in some storytelling that involves the African Serengeti, because we're going to kind of touch base with a famous storyteller from the past. Have you ever heard of a fable? A fable. It's a story told, typically, it's a fictional story, so it's made up. Usually the characters are animals, and by the end of the story, you usually learn a lesson. It's called the moral of the story. And there's a famous fable storyteller, Aesop, from Greece. And Aesop's fables are very popular. They're great bedtime stories, too. So if it's bedtime for you and you're drawing along with me, and I know you are, my friend, hello there. This would be a good activity, and then maybe follow it up another night by reading the story. The story is The Lion and the Mouse. So we're going to draw a lion and a mouse from the fable. And I'll get to the story in a little bit when we're inking, and I can explain a little bit more about it. But right now, let's get started with our drawing. Go ahead, pick up your pencil, and we'll put the lion sitting on this side of the paper, and then a little mouse over here. So the lion starts with, the head of the lion. Do this, kind of a sideways oval, like that. And then on top of that, kind of a circle shape. Now from these two shapes, we're going to get one shape, and that shape will be the head of the lion. Okay, we're going to come all the way around. See how we kind of steer, almost like a car, just like a racetrack, right around both of those shapes. And then these shapes combined make one shape. And I can show you easily if I erase the middle out and away, you'll see what we're left with is one shape. But we achieved that shape by using two shapes. Kind of fun, huh? So this will be the head of our lion. All right, so let's see. The ears of the lion, go ahead and put ovals at the top. And for the eyeballs, let's see. Oh, I like to make my oval-shaped eyes. You can use circles if you want. Oval-shaped eyes. A big nose. Another oval this way. Boy, I love to use ovals, don't I? Yeah, maybe some whiskers sticking out there. And then let's see. He's going to have a big smile. So big smile. And maybe the pupils, he's looking down at the mouse, over at the mouse. So pupils like that. Some eyebrows. Maybe some hair. Okay, you know the recognizable part of the big lion is that mane, right? The big bushy hair. So basically it's going to go all around the head. So watch this. We'll just start up here, and we're just making a series of loopy lines with our pencil that goes all the way around the head. Watch this. Ready? Kind of fun, huh? Just get that pencil going in loopy lines, and look at that. We got a nice mane. Big furry mane to our lion. Okay, now the body, he's going to be sitting down. So here's what we'll do. Just come down. Well, let's curve these a little bit. Curve line here. Curve line here. Okay, pretend this is, let's put this as kind of where he's sitting on. We'll make that kind of where he's sitting, the ground. So He's going to have front paws. Those paws are based on oval shapes. All right, and do this. Curved line and a curved line. And that will become the paws. See that? And the hind legs, what we'll see, we need a big, we don't need the whole oval, but we do need this part of the oval. It sticks out. Come down here more. Yeah, I kind of like to noodle with my pencil, right? Change that shape, kind of the haunches there, and a little part of the back foot sticking out there. So that's kind of like an oval shape too, right? And over here, same thing, kind of a half the oval, and big oval that will be the paw. All right, and then a tail, we could have maybe just make an S shape here. Right, he's got a tail with some hair at the end. How's that looking? Not too bad. Can you make the different, when you go to color it, you could do the chest kind of lighter than the top color. Right, sometimes that's white. But that's up to you. It could be any color. It's your lion, and I ain't lying. Get it? I ain't lying. Oh boy, silly day here. Dave McDonald. Okay, now we've got over here, we've got the mouse friend. So the mouse friend has a head. We'll do a basic circle shape. All right. And let's see, looking up, kind of looking up at the lion. So a circle, then a little curved line that comes off the front of the circle to make the snout, and then just wrap it around and bring it down for a smile. Okay. Of course, the nose goes there, little circle or oval where the nose is going to go. An eyeball that's looking up, big eyeball. Maybe a little cheek right there. Okay, the ear. See, we're kind of looking at the side, so looks like use an oval shape. Just put an oval there, and we're only going to use the top and a little bit of the bottom part right there. On the other side, curved line, come back. Okay, so that's the head. Maybe put some whiskers on the mouse, right? And let's see, a little body. Put a circle here, or an oval, and then come up, make a neck. All right. Elbow macaroni, leading to an oval, which will become some fingers. Okay, he's going to be holding something. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, oval here. Watch. That becomes a haunch for his hind leg. Flat oval there becomes his foot. And he's got a little tail. All right. All right, how did your mouse come out? Pretty cool, huh? And in his hand, he's holding a present for the lion. And that present is a nice flower. All right. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Now we've got to do some inking. Oh my word, we've created 2 characters. Might go a little long today. I hope you've got some extra time. All right, let's see, for the main, where's my gray pencil? Gray pencil, my gray pen. Okay. And Just kind of tracing over. Now the lion and the mouse, the story goes that the lion wakes up and there's a mouse near him, I think. And the lion gets ready to eat the mouse. And the mouse tries to convince him not to eat him. Of course, right? Well, the lion thinks that's pretty funny and starts laughing. And he laughs so hard, he's like, you know what? Go on. You're not worthy. You've given me a pretty good laugh for the day. I don't even think I'm going to eat you today. So he lets him go. And the mouse is very grateful, right? Well, later, some hunters capture the lion. And they tie him up. Well, he's tied up and he makes a big roar, right? To see if someone could hear him to help him. Well, the mouse hears it. And the mouse comes by and sees the lion all tied up. And he decides to help him. How can a little mouse help a lion? Well, he does. He chews the ropes and lets the lion go. That's pretty cool, right? And then the moral of that story is no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. All right? So that lion was kind enough to let the mouse go. And then later, when the lion needed help, that little mouse came back and saved his life. Pretty cool, huh? It's a great bedtime story, and if you read the book, it's better than it's better than what I just said. I just kind of summarized what I recall from it. I hope I'm not wrong with any of the details. But it is a great bedtime story. There's a happy looking lion, right? Again, just going over all the pencil lines. The paws. How's your lion coming? Is he a friendly lion? Mine has a friendly face. Grass here off to the side. Okay, a little tail to the lion. Swatting flies, maybe, right? There we go. Did I get all the details? I think so. Okay, let's move over here. Our flower. So there wasn't really a flower in the story, but now I figure the lion and the mouse are friends. So one day, maybe the mouse comes around and brings them a flower just to say hello. Right? Looking up at that line. He's got the little reflection there. Cheek. Big smile. Oh, we need to add a little front tooth. Elbow macaroni. Right. Look at that. And maybe let's do our horizon line in the back. Maybe our favorite little cloud that we like to do. Are you doing those clouds with me every time? For some reason, I just like putting that finishing touch up there in the corner. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes when I turn off the camera and I look at my drawing, Mr. Dave sees things that he forgot to either ink or that he forgot to draw. That happens sometimes, right? Especially when I get talking. That's like trying to do two things at once. And boy, wait till you get to be my age. It gets a little harder doing two things at once, talking and drawing. Doesn't seem like a big deal. You wouldn't think it is, but some days it is. Look at this. I love the erasing part. Used all those simple shapes and then we erase it and look at what we got when we're done. Really cool. All right, where's the broom? Sound effects for the broom. That's that sound effects department, remember? The longhorn steer or the mockingbird. All those sound effects, right? Hey, you know what it sounds like when a lion is snoring, don't you? How do you know that, Mr. Dave? I just made it up. I don't know. But that's what I think. Oh, see, we need to put our whiskers there. That's what I forgot. Don't forget your little mouse whiskers. All right, I hope you had fun drawing your lion and your mouse, and perhaps someday soon you'll be able to read the story or have someone tell you the story of Aesop's Fables, the lion and the mouse. There's many Aesop's Fables that are out there to be told. They're all great stories. They all have morals, and I just love them. So I hope you had fun today. But until next time, be well, stay safe, take care of one another. All right? Okay, bye-bye.